Welcome back to Rubric Score. This video will discuss how to import a rubric from the Numbers Spreadsheet app to the Rubric Score app using an iPad. So I'm going to bring up the Numbers app on an iPad, and this is running iOS 11 or higher. Swipe up from the bottom, and you've had to have used Numbers earlier before, and you'll see it on the bottom right there. I'm going to long press on the Numbers app and then drag it slowly to the right side, and you'll see that it'll make space. Let go, and it'll join. And now I want to split the screen in half, so I'm going to tap on the middle bar in that black line there, and it takes a second here to get the exact spot. But you want to drag that over and long press so we're in the middle. And right now I have a rubric here in the Numbers app that I edited on my Mac computer, and then I saved it to the iCloud drive. So you need to be using iCloud for both devices. And what I can do now is I'm going to select the rubric and highlight it all. So I'll tap the top left cell, and then the bottom right circle of that cell I'm going to press and drag and highlight the entire rubric. And again, when you're entering multiple lines in these cells, when I'm using Numbers on the Mac, if you're editing a cell, you can hold down Control and then hit the return key, and it'll add another line inside the same cell. So that's one way to do multiple lines in one cell. So I'm going to go back to the Rubric Score app and tap the More Options for Rubric 2 and select Edit Rubric. And now, again, this only works for an iPad and with Numbers, I can go back to the cells that I selected in the Numbers app and long press in the middle, and it'll actually pull that data out and let you drag it over into the Rubric Score app. And once that green plus sign is on that data, I'll just release it, and boom, the data is just imported to the app like magic. So hopefully you find that very useful. Again, if you don't use Numbers on a Mac, or you use an Android device, again, on the Spreadsheet app, you can still select all the data, and this will work on Google Sheets or Numbers. Then tap Copy, and back here in the Rubric Score app, to the top right of the rubric name, the three dots is the More Options. You can just tap Paste from Clipboard, and it'll also paste the data there. So both ways work fine, but it is kind of cool to actually see that effect of dragging and dropping the data across there. All right. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy that.